Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we study about law of conservation of mass like matter. Law of conservation of mass was put to word by a French chemist Lavoisier in 1785. This law stated that during a chemical reaction, mass is neither created nor destroyed, but it changes from one form to another. In other words, during a chemical reaction, total mass of the product is equal to the total mass of the reactants. So here we have a small activity for you which you can do yourself, in which we have apparatus and material required, conical flask, weight balance, sodium chloride solution, silver nitrate solution. Procedure: we have take a small amount of sodium chloride solution in a conical flask and silver nitrate solution in a small test tube. Place the test tube containing silver nitrate solution in the flask along its wall in such a way that two solutions do not mix with each other. Seal the flask with a cork and weight it along with its contents. Shake the test tube in the flask and allow the two solutions to mix with each other. Observe what happens when two solutions mix with each other and record your observation. Weight the flask again and note whether both the weight are equal or not. Through the activity 5.3, we observe the observation of the precipitate of silver chloride as a product of the reaction between sodium chloride and silver nitrate solutions. The balanced chemical equation for the reaction as follows. We also notice that during a chemical reaction, total mass of the product is equal to the total mass of reactants. This verifies the law of conservation of mass. So we have activity higher order thinking, in which we have apparatus, china dish and piece of iron. Procedure: take some iron nails in the china dish, weight the china dish along with iron nail with the help of an electric balance. Place the china dish containing iron nails in a bathroom for 5 days. Weight the china dish along with iron nail again after 5 days. Note whether the weight mass of the iron nail increase, decrease or does not change after keeping them in the bathrooms. Explain the phenomena taking place in the china dish. Next, we have types of chemical reaction. Thousands of chemical reaction are taking place all the time in the world. They are classified into different types. Here we will discuss two types, that is addition reaction and decomposition reactions. Addition reactions: the chemical combination of two or more substances to form one compound is called addition reaction, and the following are the example of addition reactions, in which we have hydrogen, oxygen, water, chlorine, hydrogen chloride, nitrogen, hydrogen, which become ammonia, magnesium, oxygen, magnesium oxide, sodium chloride, calcium oxide, carbon oxide become calcium carbonate. Next, we have decomposition reaction, a chemical reaction during which a compound splits up into two or more simple substances is called a decomposition reaction. Usually, heat is required to bring about decomposition of compounds. The following are some examples of decomposition compounds, that is potassium chlorate become from potassium chloride plus oxygen, and calcium carbonate become from calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So today lecture is end. I hope you understand my lecture. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.